So welcome. Today we're going to talk about the Abridged Project Delivery Selection Matrix developed for water and wastewater treatment plants. This tutorial will briefly discuss how to get to the document as well as used the abridged version of the PDSM. So here's a quick look at what our document looks like. To access this document, you can open up any web browser and type in the URL tab dbia.rmc.colorado.edu. This will bring you to our homepage. As you can see, we have the objective of the research and then a quick explanation of the tools. In the tools section, please make sure to click on background documents and read those documents. These background documents define specific terms and provide a basis of understanding of delivery methods, which will be helpful when you're using the PDSM. So we have two PDSMs. We have the facilitated version and the abridged version. As mentioned before, I'm only going to be talking about the abridged version in this tutorial. So to access the abridged version, if you click on the abridged project delivery selection matrix icon, it will pull up a PDF. This PDF I recommend that you download to your desktop before filling it out. Once the PDSM or document is open, you can see that this is the first page, the general project specifications. Each box that is blue, highlighted in blue, you are able to fill out. So here you can fill out your project name, project location, project managers, etc. So this is the first page. In the second page, we have schedule information as well as financial information. Here you can set dates and change it pretty easily. Also, when you're looking at milestones, you can add dates or delete milestones per your project. Financial information, we have estimated project budget, payback period, return on capital investment, and sources of funding. Finally, for our last pre-information that we ask you to fill out is project goals. Every project has goals, and we laid out 5 different categories for this. So there's schedule goals, cost goal, quality goal, sustainability goal, and other goal. You can fill that out per your project. So once we get to the alternate project delivery selection matrix, you can see here that we have 4 different delivery methods that we have laid out. There's design bid build, CMAR, progressive design build, and prescriptive design build. As mentioned before, if you are unsure about any one of those delivery methods, you can reference the background documents and you will get all the information that you need. On the left-hand side here, we have the criteria that we are evaluating each of these delivery methods against. So for example, here is O&M considerations, and we have a definition below. And then also, if you hover over the criteria, you can see the definition. Here we have a drop-down bar, and you can change per your project. So once you go through and fill out all of the drop-down bars for all of the criteria, we have our summary matrix at the end. The summary matrix, it auto-populates from the criteria above. This you can change down here, but it will not affect the original ranking. So if you would like to see what changed, you can. And once you have your final matrix finished, you can look at it and choose which project delivery method works best for your project, and then you can provide comments below. So once that is filled out, you are finished and you are good to go, and you now have a recommendation on which delivery method to use for your project. Thank you.